human excretory system. As we see about that, how the urea is formed from the Aurobind cycle in the liver. Now see, the urea is formed in your where? In your liver. That liver urea will carry towards where? Carry towards your kidney through the what? Through the hepatic portal vein. This is the place of your kidney. These are the two kidneys. These are the ureter, and this is the urinary bladder, and outside there is a urethra. So this red colored is your excretory system of human body. Can you see this? This is the thoracic cavity. We are having the three linings of your what we can say, body will have the head, trunk and the tail region. The trunk will have the thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity. Your kidney is placed where? Kidney is placed below the thoracic cavity and into the abdominal cavity. Okay. So this is what human excretory system, which is placed in your what? In your abdominal cavity. Okay. So in detail, this is the kidney. These are the two are the kidneys. These are the ureters. This is the urinary bladder, and this is the urethra. It is a paired place. It will have two in numbers. So there is a paired ureters. Two pairs of ureters. One urinary bladder is there, and one urinary opening or urethra is there. Yes. These are the aortas, which carries the blood towards the kidney for the purification. This is the renal artery, which carries the blood from your liver to the kidney. And this is the inferior vena cava, which will drain the blood. That is also called the renal vein, which carries the purified blood from the kidney towards your heart. Okay. So can you tell me where the urea is present? In the renal artery or in the inferior vena cava? Into the renal artery, because it is carrying the blood from the liver. So it will have the urea. So this is the part of the question. Where urea is present? In the renal artery or inferior vena cava? It is present in the renal artery. Okay, so this is the structure of your urinary system. Two pairs of kidney, two pairs of ureters, one urinary bladder is there, and one urethra is there. Now see, your excretory system is consist of kidney, ureters, and urinary bladder. And one is your opening, that is your urethra. Okay. So this is the one kidney, which is got dark reddish brown in color. Okay. And this will have the two adrenal glands which are placed above these two kidneys. Okay. This adrenal gland will secrete angiotensin and renin, which will see lateral. These hormones are necessary for the RAS system, which maintains the homeostasis of your body. So adrenal gland, these are pair glands which are present on the top of the kidney, which are bean shaped. Okay. So kidneys are present. Where they are present? They are present below the thoracic cavity and into the abdomen. And the exact position is what? How many vertebrae are there in human body? How many? Vertebrae means what? There are the bones. There is a vertebral column. In that vertebral column, there are total 33 vertebrae are present. And as we are knowing that there are vestigial organs. What is the vestigial organs? Which are what?
Appendage.
In the boundary to get eliminated from the evolutionary process. So finally 5 vertebrae are getting fused to form the coccyx, which is also called as a tailbone. So that 33 vertebrae are getting converted to how many? 26. So actually 33 bones are there, but last 5 are getting fused to form 26. So how many vertebrae in your vertebral column? 26. So your kidney is placed between from thoracic vertebrae to the third lumbar vertebrae. This is the position of your kidney. Keep in mind, this is the MCQ type of question again. So it is the exact position. They are reddish brown in color. On the top of that, there is adrenal gland is present, and it is extended from thoracic to the third lumbar vertebrae. Yes. Kidneys are retroperitoneal organ. What is a retroperitoneal? What that word indicates? As we learned about that, thoracic cavity, then abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity. All cavities are enclosed by the peritoneal membrane inside your body. Okay, so all your heart, all your reproductive organs, your lungs, are encoded or encoded within that peritoneal cavity, which acts as a shock absorber. Only kidney is outside that cavity. Okay. Only kidney is outside that cavity. So that kidney is called what? It is called the retroperitoneal imposition. Okay. Right kidney, can you see over here? Right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. Yes, there is a change in position. So again, this is a very important point. Why the right kidney is because yes, liver is present at the upper side of the right kidney. Okay, so because of the presence of the liver, right kidney is distended downward. So always remember that this is the presence of huge liver on the top of your right kidney. So your right kidney is slightly lower in position. Length, size, width. You have to remember the length of each kidney is 10 centimeter. Then width of the each kidney is 5 centimeter. Okay. So this is your kidney. Okay. As we are moving from the 12th thoracic vertebra to the 3rd lumbar vertebra, your kidneys are present. This is called the upper is a thoracic cavity and below it is an abdominal cavity. Kidneys are present where? They are present in the abdominal cavity below the thoracic cavity. Yes, excretory system. So it will consist of, as we are knowing, the kidney, then it is kidney. So we are going to see in details about the kidney. That kidney is surrounded by the tough, fibrous outer covering, which is called the cortex, and inside that there is a medulla. So this is a transverse section where we can clearly say this part is called the cortex region and this part is called the medulla region. Okay. So what is the average weight of a human kidney? 120 to 170 gram. There is a difference in male and female? Yes, there is a difference in male and females. In a female, the kidney is 135 gram in weight, and in a male it is a little bit higher or high weight, it is 150 gram. So this is the kidney where it is surrounded by the cortex, and inner there will be the medulla region.